Real estate investing means buying property to make money. Simple as that. It's not just for the wealthy, anyone can start. Think of it as owning a small business, but your business is a house or apartment. You can make money by renting it out or fixing it up and selling for more. Real estate is popular because it's a physical asset, something you can see and touch. Property values often rise over time, so you can earn both monthly rent and long-term appreciation. Imagine it like running a lemonade stand. You invest, improve, and earn. The goal? Build wealth and maybe even replace your job's income. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work and learning, but it's one of the most reliable ways to create long-term financial freedom. You're providing homes, building your future, and anyone willing to learn can do it. Let's start building your future, one brick at a time. Before you buy, get prepared. Start with education. Read, watch, and listen to learn the basics and key terms like cash flow and ROI. Next, look at your finances. Save for a down payment and cut unnecessary spending. Check your credit score. A higher score means better loan options. Fix errors and pay down debts to improve your score. Know your why. Set clear, specific goals for your investing journey. Write them down to stay motivated when things get tough. Investing has ups and downs, but a clear purpose keeps you focused. Build your foundation with learning, saving, and planning. This groundwork is key to your success. Not every location is a good investment. Finding the right market is crucial. Look for cities with job growth and people moving in. More jobs mean more renters. Zoom in on neighborhoods, visit, observe, and talk to locals. Good neighborhoods have well-kept homes, parks, and schools. Check the numbers. Compare home prices to rents using the 1% rule as a quick test. Research online or talk to agents for local data. Look for signs of future growth, new parks, businesses, or transit. Improving neighborhoods mean rising property values. Do your homework. Smart research leads to smart investments. The right market is your foundation for success. There are 3 main ways to start investing. First, buy rental properties. Hold them, rent them out, and build wealth over time. Second, flip houses, buy low, renovate, and sell for a quick profit, but beware of risks and costs. Third, invest with a group. Join a real estate investment group, REIG, or buy shares in a real estate investment trust, REIT, for a hands-off approach. Rentals are like planting a tree, steady growth and long-term rewards. Flipping is a sprint, fast but riskier. Group investing is like riding the bus, less control, but less work. Choose the path that fits your goals, money, and time. You can try more than one as you gain experience. The key is to pick one and start learning. Each path has pros and cons. Find what works for you. Start simple. Grow as you learn. Your journey begins with your first choice. You have a plan. Now, how do you pay for your first property? Most investors use loans, called mortgages, and put down 20–25% as a down payment. Can't save that much? Try house hacking. Buy a duplex, live in one unit, rent the other, and qualify for a low down payment loan. Your tenant's rent can help pay your mortgage, sometimes covering it entirely. If your credit or savings are low, look for creative options. Seller financing lets you pay the seller directly. Private lenders, friends, family, or investors can also help. Or partner with someone who has money while you do the work. Be creative and open-minded. Don't let lack of cash stop you. Building relationships is key. Your first deal is the hardest, but it gets easier. Take action and learn as you go. Before you buy, do your due diligence. Hire a home inspector to check the property's condition, roof, foundation, plumbing, and more. Use their report to negotiate repairs or a lower price. Verify all numbers yourself: rent, expenses, taxes, and insurance. Calculate real cash flow, income minus all expenses. If it's negative, walk away. Check the property's exact location. Avoid noisy streets or bad neighbors. Research local risks like flood zones and crime rates. Know the landlord-tenant laws and zoning rules in your city. Can you legally rent out all units? Are there restrictions? Cover these 4 areas: condition, costs, location, and laws to avoid bad deals. Smart checks protect your investment. New investors often fall into the same traps, not saving enough for emergencies, always keep 3 to 6 months of expenses as a safety net. Underestimating repair costs, get multiple quotes and add 15-20% for surprises. Trying to do everything yourself, hire pros for repairs and management, build a team agent, contractor, property manager. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis, no deal is perfect. Learn, check your numbers, and take action. Your first deal will teach you more than any book. Mistakes are part of the process. Learn and move forward. Don't let fear keep you on the sidelines. We've covered the basics, what real estate is, how to prepare, research, finance, and avoid mistakes. It may seem overwhelming, but every investor started where you are now. You don't need to be rich or know everything. Just start learning and take small steps. Open a savings account, read a book, or visit a neighborhood. Progress comes from small, consistent actions. Your journey is unique. Don't compare yourself to others. Be patient, learn from mistakes, and keep moving forward. The American dream of building wealth through property is within reach. Start with education, make a plan, and take your first step. Welcome to real estate investing. Your future starts now.